Yes, we've got maximum participation. Firstly, we were involved to meeting the meeting our partners wonke, sihlangene youth and the partners themselves, and we were made to say ezikufunayo, and then we were given a chance futhi yokuthi siye siphume siyehlangana njengama youth sodwa discuss asivumelane esikufunayo, and namhlanje last day we were given a chance yokuthi si present ama goals for 2017-2018. Si present i-theme esiyifunayo njalo si present lama funds esiwafunayo to run with. We are running with a theme ethi spaces free from violence and exploitation. So sesibhalile from we have a month November, we set it aside and said it's a global action month. In that month sesibhalile from week 1 to week 4 esifuna ukwenza ama resources esiwafunayo, and we're expecting the partners to take it as it is, deliberate on it, and then babuyele feedback back to us.